In today's video, we are going to talk about how to choose your business tools with confidence. Tools are a necessary part of running business and making the hustle happier. In case you don't know me, I am Mariah and my business is Bloom Hustle Grow, where I help online entrepreneurs get their business operations organized and optimized to make the hustle happier. When it comes to tools for your business, you don't need all the tools and you shouldn't be too quick to hit buy. However, on the flip side of that, you don't want to put off investing in tools that you need to make your business life easier and for your business to grow. If you have a strategy that you want to execute, but investing in those tools are what's stopping you, you need to just know that there is a certain level of investment that you need to make to be able to make certain strategies in your business happen. Of course, when you're just getting started, there are a lot of free tools or kind of like free-ish tools that you can definitely utilize. So you just want to strike that balance between getting what you need and also not hindering yourself. The very first step in choosing a new tool for your business is, does it integrate with existing tools? You really want your tools to be able to talk to each other natively without using a third-party app such as Zapier. You can learn more about that in my video, What the Heck is a Tech Stack? The second thing I always ask is, do you need it now? Is this something you're thinking about doing in 6 months? For instance, I know a lot of people they decide they want to do an online course or a membership and they go straight to the tool that they need to host that. However, you don't really need to buy that tool today or when you have the idea. You can wait and buy it when you actually have the materials ready and you're getting ready to launch. There's no need to go ahead and invest in a tool when your launch is 6 months out. Number 3 is, does it fit your use frequency? So I'm all about buying a tool if it's going to make your life easier. However, if it's just for a one-time thing, or maybe you're doing a summit that you're not going to do again and you need a certain tool, you can sometimes find workarounds in those cases. And that's where Zapier is a really great tool that can come in and help you connect maybe your email marketing system to this other system that you're not going to use again. You're just using it for this one project. Or a lot of tools always offer just a month subscription. So you don't need to go all in and buy the year subscription if you don't know this is something that you're definitely going to be invested in or use more than this project or this one launch. Do you need all of those features? So a lot of business owners just kind of they hear about a tool in a Facebook group and they're like, hey, I'm going to get that tool. But the tool might be too much for where you're at in your business right now, and you're going to end up overpaying. So just make sure, number one, a lot of tools have tiered subscriptions. So you don't have to get the largest subscription that they have, the largest tier that has all the bells and whistles if you don't need those features. Looking at the features really closely and those different payment options is really an important part of making sure your dollar is going as far as possible in your business. Because if you're not going to use those bells and whistles right now, you don't need to go for that full plan. The other thing is just because a tool is popular with a lot of people in your industry doesn't mean it's necessarily for you or for you at this stage in your business. They may have a lot of other things that they're connecting to it or doing with it that you may not need. So I really recommend if you're looking at a tool and you're oh, I really only need maybe 3 of these features, go ahead and do a little bit of research and Google alternative to XYZ tool and see if maybe there's a cheaper option that has more of those limited features. That way you're not overpaying and you're not paying for features that you have no plan on using. That's my really simple approach to making sure that you're making smart tool decisions. So the 4 steps to make sure that you make smart decisions about your tools is, does it integrate with your existing tool? This is one of the most important ones. Do you need it now? Are you using it just for a project, or is it a more long-term investment? And do you need all those features? Do you need all the bells and whistles that this particular tool is offering? And just remember, tools are not forever. As your business grows and evolves, so will your tools. I literally don't know one entrepreneur that has the same email marketing system that they had when they started their business. So your tools are definitely going to change. It's not forever. Don't let tools be a procrastination technique for you getting a project started or anything else. Pick one, see how you like it. If you don't like it, you can always move on. I do have a tools audit kit that can help you evaluate your tools as your business grows. So if you want to grab that, the link is below. And if you're just getting started and trying to pick tools for your business, I do have a list of all the tools that I use for Bloom Hustle Grow, and the link to that is below as well. So good luck. And again, don't stress too much over the tools that you're picking because it can always be changed. It's not the end of the world.